channel. So boy, it's just, and if you are here on my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Link that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video, you'll be alerted first. And please don't forget to like and comment on my videos. So guys, I'm back. It's another day, another dollar late. Today I'm back, guys, with a very special video that has only been jam-packed for you, my viewers who have been watching my content, and I really appreciate for the time and everything that you have spent on my channel. You are the best, you are the best. So guys, the video that I have for today is a very special video. I want to talk about Y Celeb and Yo Maps beef. So guys, I've gathered some more information about this beef between these two artists, and I will explain more than I did in the last video. So guys, the thing is that Y Celeb and Yo Maps beef started when Yo Maps was seen in a video which surfaced online, whereby Yo Maps was laughing at Y Celeb that he didn't know how to speak English when he was in South Africa. So guys, Y Celeb saw this video surfacing online and he wasn't happy about the thing that Yo Maps did in the video. So guys, the video surfaced online which involved Yo Maps, D-Boy and Mr. Stash. They were laughing at Y Celeb that he didn't know how to speak English. So guys, Y Celeb released his single called Charity So. Just from now, I was listening to the song Charity So and I got the concept of what he was saying in the single. It's like Y Celeb was saying something about Yo Maps. So guys, the thing is that Y Celeb was like Nabloa International whilst Mbomfye Chibemba. Then in the video he said that Nalele kwa block Samba, then I woke up Nama Maps. That's what he said. So guys, I don't know what's happening between these two guys, but beefy and Opoili. But Yo Maps not at this point. So guys, the thing is that Y Celeb wasn't happy about what Yo Maps did. So the thing is that Yo Maps took a good decision to apologize to Y Celeb, saying that what I did was wrong. I don't like to differ with people who I communicate to daily, who I talk to, who support me in everything that I do. He posted a video on Facebook where he talked about those stuffs. So guys, the thing is that when Yo Maps talked about apologizing to Y Celeb, it's like he didn't accept that apology, whereby he replied with a diss to Yo Maps, where he was saying that he would just be locally, he would just be singing songs which would be locally, and his songs will not be heard outside Zambia. So the thing is that Yo Maps has released his single Muberele, which is in gospel form. It's more like it's a response to Y Celeb. So Y Celeb said that J Max Vaitako introduce Yo Maps kumukaka, then finally babuga bapwisha bamupanga efe nombala arelanda muri song ati Charity So efe arelanda Y Celeb. So guys, I'm artists they need to communicate to each other, they need to be there for each other, but in so guys, after the song that Y Celeb released, Charity So, Yo Maps has responded with a new single song. He posted this single song on his Facebook page called Muberere, where he's talking about, I don't care if people insult me, I don't care if people talk things that are not good about me, because I have my God, and my God will forgive them because they don't know what they are doing. It was like Muberele bonsaba ntukana bonsaba nje bati nari kuma kuchinso cyakwareza bonse Muberele na bonsaba rera ndatinesha inyimbo shandita shaka yokutari Muberele. That's the song. You can check it on his Facebook page. He has posted the song, but I don't know how the situation will be, but one day the beef will come to an end. But it's not good. It's not good that musicians in the same country, you are differing. Musicians in the same music industry, you are differing. It's not good. So guys, Yo Maps took a great decision whereby he apologized to Waiserebu. Amweba Waiserebu at boy narishwana did forgive me for what I did. But it's like Waiserebu didn't take that apology and he wasn't happy at all. So instead of him accepting the apology that Yo Maps offered, he decided to drop a diss on him, and Yo Maps has finally responded to the diss of Waiserebu ngachadidire so Yo Maps has said that I know that people talk bad things about me. I know that people say that I've moved away from God, I don't pray, I don't worship God, but I ask for God to forgive them because they don't know what they are doing. So guys, the other news that I have for you for today is that Bobby East declares Tishon as the hardest working artist of the year 2019. This happened when Tishon posted a tweet on his Twitter whereby he was saying that he has released more than 27 tracks in the year of 2019. Then Bobby said that Tishon is the hardest working artist that he knows. And Chef 187 talks about his experience at Coke Studio and the collaboration that he did with Scales and Mr. P at the interviews of DJ Showstar High Five interviews. So Chef 187 said that he was amused how Nigerians produce videos. When he was producing the song Coordinate, he was amused that the way the Nigerians work is impressing, whereby they had found that everything was in place, the hairstylist was in place, the barberman was in place, the video editor were in place waiting for him and Scales to appear at the video shoot. So guys, Chef was happy how the Nigerians work together, and he also said that he would like to work with new upcoming artists so that he can empower them to go up there and be big in the music industry of Zambia. So guys, that's the news that I had for you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video you'll be alerted first. Bye bye.